Login DiDi app. How to download and register DiDi app. If you wish to log in, download and register on the DiDi app, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. Now, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for DiDi Rider application, then tap the install button to download it on your phone. Once you've done that, open the DiDi Rider application right here. Now, depending upon whether you want to log in or register, you can directly choose your country and type in your phone number. But you can also continue with your Facebook or Google account. Just depending upon what is more comfortable for you, I will select continue with Google, tap on agree, select my certain Google account that I have, then tap on the continue button, and once I've done that, I'll be taken to the next page where I can simply enter my mobile number. So here, you can go ahead and also type in your country code over here. Once you type in your country code, just go ahead and then type in your phone number. So let me just go ahead and then type in my country code properly here. And once done, if it displays, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, just choose the one that it supports. Then enter your phone number, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on next, verify, and you would have successfully logged in as well as registered on the DiDi app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.